sounds like she's killing something. Alright guys, so I'm going to call, sorry, putting it on my tripod. I'm going to call Joe and John, and I'm going to prank them. And it is going to be funny, hopefully. Oh, what a pure imagination. Okay, let's do this.
This is the kind I grew up on as a kid. I used to get kiwi strawberry Snapple. But they used to come in these cool glasses, like actually glass bottles. These are twist tops. You just click it and it makes a little snap. And now it's like plastic. So.
No, I didn't get a Monster. I got water.
In a Monster again?
Yeah.
Why don't you show yourself?
That's what Charles Trippy did. He did water in a Monster can.
No, that was at Warped Tour, and they did like special.
Speaking of We the Kings, you need to come back to Warped Tour, so I have a reason to go in.
Definitely. I want to go see that.
Or 303.
Like 7 minutes faster than we have the other cars.
Or 303.
Timed it.
I did time it. 303 needs to come too. What?
303 needs to come back?
Yes, 303 needs to come back. So I can get Josh's signature on the other side of the poster we already have.
Yeah. That'd be good.
Guys, listen to this noise. So Simone's turning this thing around, and it sounds like she's killing something. Seriously, it sounds like she's killing something. It sounds like a flamingo got caught in there and they're killing it.
Oh my gosh. This is how it's supposed to sound.
Quiet.
This is how it is.
How you feeling, Simone? Tired? What about you, Mary?
Okay. My shin hurts.
Why's your shin hurt? Why's your shin hurt? Spencer's like, I'm not doing anything. Your shin hurt, Simone? No. No? Simone's running this like a boss. She's all like, come on guys, run, stop slacking, run, run. She's walking right now because she just ran like 2 miles straight. Not to mention the 4 she walked here, so. Come on, Simone, fist pound it. Alright, fist pound it. Yeah, fist pounds.
This guy is stinking awesome. He heard that I had a headache, so he got me my favorite kind of ice cream, the mint chocolate chip. No, it's mint chocolate chip. The favorite kind of ice cream, and he got me a Sprite because he knows that my stomach's been hurting, and my tooth isn't hurting. Does my smile look normal, guys? Looks normal. So this guy is the best guy. Look at the camera.
I'm off.
Hey,
and it's because you're the best.
I'm awesome too.
No, you got me picture. It's because you're the bestest and sweetest and sexiest fiance ever.
I'm the bestest too.
You are the bestest.
We're so cute, aren't we? Hey, look, look at the camera.
She's the other half of my heart.
Me too.
Hey.
Let's just keep pressing our faces together.
Do not convince your wife to get KFC tomorrow.
Sitting on me is not gonna do
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna sit on you and then gently whisper in your ear.
No.
No, you're not gonna do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna
No.
sit on your lap. I'm gonna gently
You're not
whisper in
sitting on
your
my
ear.
lap.
Put it in the arms.
See, he doesn't want dad on his lap.
What?
Ew, what? Kevin.
You didn't see what he did.
I don't.
Alright guys, so it's 10:17. Me and Andrew, well, I'm getting the vlog up. Andrew's reading his book. and we're gonna go to bed. We had a very interesting night tonight, and we're gonna go to bed. I am finally sending, I am gonna show the address because it's their P.O. box, and you guys, it's in their description. So I finally got it all set up so that I can send that little necklace piece to Sarah Presley. So I set it all up, and I got the little box. I put a little note in there, and that's gonna be sent out tomorrow. So since she's in California, she should get it either, if it's sent out on Wednesday, she'll either get it Thursday or Friday, and then she can have it, and then I can finally be like, I finally did it. I finally got it out there, because I've been trying to mail it for like weeks. I tried to send it in a regular envelope, and it came back, and it wasn't big enough, and they were like wanting extra postage. So I finally got an official thing, and it's gonna be sent out. So exciting things coming soon. Tomorrow we're gonna be running on the track, which is gonna be super fun, and a Portland running company is gonna be there to give free shoes. Then Saturday we're going to Andrew's mom's housewarming party at her new apartment, and we'll vlog a little over there. And Saturday we also have practice, so it's going to be a very fun rest of the week. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow. Anything to add?
Oh, yes, congratulations to my mother, and I guess my soon-to-be stepfather, Jeremiah, because they got engaged 3 weeks ago and found out on Facebook tonight. So yay! Vegas, here we come.
But not too sweet. Built from apples, built to refresh. Smith and Forchard said.
Yeah, see, I wasn't sure if we were sharing that, but apparently Andrew's just all out there. Good night, guys. We love you. And we'll see you tomorrow. Possibly. We'll think about it. No, we'll see you tomorrow.